Hello friends, welcome to Morals Explorer. Today we are unboxing Nikon D5600. Okay, this one I took from Amazon and they are packed very well. Almost it took like 3 days for me. Uh, they packed good. Let's see what's inside and what all they have shipped. I paid this one like around 56k, 56 57k. It is 56,999, so it's 57k. So we'll see what's inside this. It is with dual lens. Looks like packing, they are good. Okay, this one is the bill from the Amazon. So, let's see. Okay, almost they used to pack with earbags and all. This time they are given like this. Okay, it is like a, they are given the bag, Nikon bag. Nikon bag they are given. It's almost as per this, it's around 690 rupees. Let's see. I am keeping this aside, and if I check it out, this is the box and nothing else. They are given 16 GB card. Okay, this seal is good, so it's good. Here they have mentioned the name and address. Here it is mentioned D5600, 1855 VR is there, and 17300 VR kit. It is dual lens. So here also you can see the same thing. D5600, 18 to 55 VR, 17 to 3. Okay, so if I check the box, it is telling like include 16 GB class 10 SD card plus carry case and 2 years warranty. This box is coming with 2 years warranty and it's only for India. It's telling this product is sale for only for India, and this is D5600 with 1855 VR and 17300 VR kit. And if I check it out, this one it is like 1855 mm is having the focal length of 3.5 to 5.6 GVR, and 17300 mm is having the focal length of 4.5 to 6.3 GVR EDVR. And if you come across the side, it is same, and they have a good one like seal they are given, like which if we open anyone can come to know. And in the back side also they have given, so that if anyone breaks we will come to know. And if I come across the side, it is having here like a D5600 and here VR lens, and it is having the Wi-Fi, inbuilt Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth. It will support Android and iPhone also. Like Snapdragon, here we have that one of the SnapBridge. Using that we can connect to this mobile phone. And this is having the HDMI port and it supports SPSX card, and here they have given its number and all. And if I check like here, they have attached the 16 GB memory card, Nokia's. I am not sure this is a good card or not, but I will check it out which type of card it is. this will come with the box itself. And the accessories included with this box, inside this box is like strap, rechargeable lithium battery, and battery charger, user manual and warranty. These are the things which is contained in this box. And if I come across the another side, here we are given like who is the importer and what is the MRP of this and what all there in this particular box. It contains camera, lens, 2 numbers, strap, rechargeable, lithium battery 1, and battery charger 1, user manual and warranty card. That is what they are given, and it is imported on 1/2021, that is January 2021, and it is from the Thailand. So it is like manufacturer is like from the Tokyo, Japan. So that is the thing. Now we will see what all are there inside this box. I am just opening this one. I am pretty excited as it is almost like around 60k. So let's see. Okay, this one is blank here. Okay, so here they are given some of the things like what are the points, service points and their location. And this one is loyalty program from the Nikon, user registration and all. If we do, we will get something. And 2-year warranty card. This is the warranty card from the Nikon. And this one is user manual, how to use the phone, camera and what all the features are there, how to assemble, connect it, and how to charge its battery. All the details they are given here. And these are some of the download centers, like if you want to download the softwares and all, you can download from this. And this is service warranty. If anything is there, Nikon will give the free 3 services. So that card, this one is. And if I come across the box, first we have a charger here. This is the charger for the battery charger. And the next thing is the lens. This is the first lens, which is 1855 lens box. This one is. So I am keeping this one lens this side. We have a strap, Nikon branded strap it is. So this is also, I am keeping this side. We are having a battery. So this is the lithium battery, rechargeable, like it is 1200 mAh battery it is. Let's see how much it will be having. As per them, they have given like around 600 photos we can take from this battery. So, and here also we have a display option, so we'll see. This is the another lens, 70-300. So this one also looks good. So this is the 70-300 lens. So I am keeping this here, this side. And this is the main box, that is our Nikon camera. So this is the camera. So that's all in the box. Please like and share our videos and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.